my least favorite skincare product. I'm going to show you another way that I use it so I can get it finished, done, and over with. Are you someone who likes face mask? Or are you someone who wants to do a face mask but don't have the time? Or you just don't like face mask at all? I like face mask because I like the results I get after I use it. But getting myself to do it is hard. It is just so hard. So I come up with a way to use my clay mask. You can call it a mask hack, a hack mask. But I've been trying this for the last couple weeks and I've been doing it twice a week and it's been working because I was about to declutter my mask. So I'm going to show you what I did. And if you have mask, you can try it. This mask is a clay mask. This is what's left because like I say, I pulled it out, left it on my sink counter, and I was like, I'm going to use this because I like the results I get from this, but this to sit 5 minutes, 10 minutes, is like, I don't have the time for that. I should make the time, but I don't. How many of you are like me? Should make the time to do a mask, but don't? Tell me in the comments. Now, this is the hack. I wash my face, rinse it out, and then I leave the water on my face. Check and see, I have water on my face. Now I dip into my clay mask. I take it and put it over my face like this. This one is a little messy because it has like the algae in there. So remember to do it somewhere where you don't mind it get dirty. And I just repeat until I have enough. Don't rub it too hard. You just want to be gentle with your skin. You don't want to tear your skin up. This is the algae I'm telling you it has. It has these little pieces of algae. And I don't let it dry because I already rub it in the skin as gentle as I can that I need, and now I'm going to rinse it off. These are the little pieces of stuff I tell you. This is what my face looks like after I rinse it all off. See the results? I get the same results. And that just came to me. I was like, I can figure out how to use this thing because I really, truly love this Glam Glow mask. It is really nice. So I was like, for the last 2 to 3 weeks, I've been trying it out. I was like, let me see. And I'm liking what I get. So this is me up close and personal. And that is the result of the mask, the clay mask. If you want to use your mask and don't have to sit and wait and figure out, okay, I have 5-10 minutes, use it like that and try it. Let me know when you do try it. Leave me something in the comments. Let me know if you're gonna try it or if you're gonna declutter your mask or what you're gonna do. Always remember, self is first. Stay fabulous and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.